Here are the top cleaning items you need in your household. Practical, powerful, and total game changers. Let's start with the O-Cedar Easy Ring Spin Mop. This one is a classic for a reason. The foot pedal spinner lets you control how wet the mop gets, so no more soaked floors. The microfiber head grabs dirt, dust, and grime in one pass, and it's safe on wood, tile, and laminate. Easy to use, easy to clean, and your floors dry faster. This is a must-have for effortless mopping. Next up, Turbo Mop's reusable mop pads, compatible with Swiffer Letjet. These microfiber pads are machine washable, reusable, and way more eco-friendly than disposable refills. They trap dirt, hair, and spills without streaks, and you'll save money every time you toss them in the wash instead of buying replacements. Clean smarter, not harder. If your car interior drives you crazy, you need this. The Puladiki Car Cleaning Gel slides into vents, cup holders, buttons, and tight corners where dust hides. Just press, lift, and watch the dirt disappear. No water, no mess. It's oddly satisfying and works in cars, keyboards, and electronics. Small tool, huge impact. And finally, nice and clean adult flushable wipes, made from plant-based fibers and infused with aloe and vitamin E. These wipes are gentle, refreshing, and perfect for everyday personal care. Strong, soft, and septic safe when used as directed. Once you switch, regular toilet paper just won't cut it.